Hey there, it's Cooking Frog. On today's menu, we've got the crispiest buffalo chicken wings in an air fryer. Start by patting your wings dry, then split them into drums and flats. Here's how. Locate the joints and give them a quick slice. To make a seasoning mix, combine 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Baking powder is our secret to that perfect crisp. In a bowl, mix the wings with a tablespoon of olive oil to get them ready for the next step. Let's get those wings dressed up. Give them a good toss in the seasoning mix until they're perfectly coated in Flavor Town goodness. It's all about getting that perfect spice hug on every wing. Quick tip, lightly grease your air fryer with some olive oil. This little trick helps keep those wings from sticking. Before anything else, let's get that air fryer preheated. Crank it up to 380 and give it a warm up for 2 minutes. Set your air fryer to 20 minutes. Arrange the wings in a single layer in the air fryer basket. While those wings are cooking up a storm, let's whip up the magic sauce. In a bowl, mix together half a cup of buffalo sauce with 1/4 cup of melted butter. After the first 10 minutes, give those wings a flip, then turn up the heat to 400 degrees. Let them cook for another 10 minutes until they reach peak crispiness. Check these out. Our chicken wings have turned out beautifully crispy and absolutely tempting. But hold on, we're not finished yet. Pour that mouth-watering buffalo sauce mixture over the wings. Give them a good toss until each one is evenly coated in that saucy goodness. And that's a wrap on our crispy buffalo chicken wings. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. For more delicious ideas, hop over to cookingfrog.com and don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube for more culinary adventures. Happy cooking!